Welcome back. Now, you may not have purchased one of the premium applications in order to post jobs or look for talent. However, you can still post your job to LinkedIn. And to do that, what you're going to do is to go to this Jobs tab. You're going to see a link that says Looking for Talent. You're going to click the button next to it. You're going to start by writing in your company, and you're going to write in a job title. You'll then write in a city, and then you'll click Create Job Post. You're going to choose the employment type, and then you're going to choose their seniority level. LinkedIn will allow you to add in skill keywords. You can determine how you want to be notified. For example, you can let individuals apply with their LinkedIn profile, and then you can be notified by email. And that's what we're going to do in this case. Once we do that, we're going to save a draft. We'll then click Continue. You then want to add in any screening questions. Now, when you're filling out these tool areas, you are going to see some pre-filled content, and in some cases, LinkedIn will not have your chosen content there. So you may not be able to include your question if it has something specific that LinkedIn does not have there. So once you have in your screening questions, you'll then click Continue. Now, what you can do is you can set your budget based on what you want to pay per day, as long as LinkedIn is helping you to look for candidates. And you can make it so that you can pay when a candidate actually views your job. And so you can choose how long that your job stays open. And then once you do that, you can then click Proceed to Checkout. And once you make your payment, your job will then be posted. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.